No.
Thank you. And when you discovered, what did you do? You said that you talked to someone in ICT department?
Yes, as soon as I discovered.
Okay, just let's make it simple.
Yes.
You reported to the ICT department, correct?
Yes.
Who in particular did you talk to?
Mr. Mugo.
Sorry?
Mr. Mugo.
Mr. Mugo.
Yes.
You called him using your phone?
Yes. Mugo.
Which name?
Yeah, it's called Paul Mugo.
No, Mr. Mongela, don't feed the client with
No.
Just look at the court. Just look at the court. Who did you call?
Paul Mugo.
Just face the court.
Okay. Okay. Paul Mugo.
Paul Mugo. When you call Paul Mugo, did you follow up with an email or any other communication?
No, I just gave him a call and give him the information.
So what you're telling the court, you never made any official report of such registration, correct?
Yes.
Neither have you ever done any to date.
Yes.
As you start here, do you know whether Collins Munene is still in the register to date? Yes or no?
No.
No, he is not, or no, you don't know.
I don't know whether he's registered in MBEERE constituency.
In your affidavit, you say that Collins' name, that's paragraph 4 of your affidavit, was flagged. That's what you say?
Yes.
That you discovered, you alerted ICT department which flagged out the details of the voter. That's what you say?
Yes.
How was it flagged? What is flagging?
Maybe it was.
Do you know what is flagging?
According to my understanding.
So, do you know?
Yes.
What is flagging? How was it done? What was done to it?
It will be highlighted so that you will not vote in the by-election.
It was highlighted. But since then, you have never known whether he's still in the register.
Yes, I don't.
As I hand you over to Mr. Degwanjiro. So you confirm to court that from Ruiru constituency office, you had access to MBEERE North constituency register, correct?
I don't have.
That's why you were able to register Collins Munene in MBEERE North register. Is that correct?
From
Thank you.
Ruiru constituency, I can register.
You can register.
Yes.
Thank you. Mr. Degwachi.
Yes. I'll be very fast. Mr. Witness,
Yes.
would I be right to say that whatever you did to that register amounted to an alteration, correct? Correct or not correct?
Repeat the question, please.
Whatever you did to the register, whether you deregistered or you had registered,
Yes.
amounted to an alteration of the register, correct?
Yes.
Will I be correct to say that the register had been frozen on the 22nd of June 2022, correct?
Which register?
The entire voters register. It had been frozen, correct?
For which constituency?
The entire voters register. All registers had been frozen as at 22nd of June 2022. If you don't know,
Yes,
then I
yes, yes.
Okay. Were you aware of that decision of freezing the register? Were you aware that the register had been frozen?
Yes,
Yes?
yes.
but nevertheless, you still went to alter the register, correct? With that knowledge, you went on, with that knowledge, wait for the question, you went on to alter the register, correct?
No, after.
Correct or not correct? I don't want an explanation.
Just give me time.
Correct or not correct, Mr. Witness? Number 2, did you have the authority of the commission to alter the register?
Okay, you are not deducting from the
Yes.
other time. Okay.
Yes. Yes. Did you have the authority of the commission to alter the register? That requires a yes or a no answer. Don't waste my time, Mr. Witness. Did you have the authority of the commission to alter the register?
Yes.
Do you have that authority before the court? Do you not?
Since I am an assistant
Did you have the
registration
authority? I'm
officer,
not asking your
I can
designation.
register.
I'm asking, did you have the authority of the register to alter, the commission to alter the register? Yes or no?
No.
Number 2, when you altered this register, did you notify the commission? Did you not?
I didn't.
Yes, I can hear what you're saying.
Can you repeat the question?
When you altered this register in registering Collins and purportedly registering him, did you notify the commission of that occurrence?
Yes, I informed the ICT department.
I'm not asking the ICT, the commission. Do you understand who is the commission?
I haven't informed them.
Do you understand who is the commission?
Yes.
Did you inform the commission?
No.
Did the commission make the decision and give you the authority to register?
No.
Yes?
No.
So whatever you did was done without the sanction of the commission, correct? Correct or not correct, Mr. Witness? Mr. Witness, do you know that whatever you did amounts to an offense?
Permission.
Yes.
Mr. Njiro is introducing a term that we've not had, the registration of a voter. I don't know if he got that from.
Registration of a voter.
Deregistration. Perhaps
No, I think he asked a question whether he can deregister.
Yes, and he said that it was deregistered. That is what you said in your evidence, Mr. Witness, correct?
No, it is not.
When you informed the ICT person, what happened?
Council, he said they flagged,
He flagged.
Yes.
not deregistered.
Okay, that does not amount to deregistration,
Yes.
correct?
Yes.
Okay. But the final question I want to put to you, do you know that whatever you did amounts to an election offense? Section 3 of the election offenses says a person who without authority makes any change. Mr. Witness,
Yes.
you confirm that you also detailed Collins' information on the KIMS kit, correct?
Yes.
Was the KIMS kit, did you also flag the KIMS kit?
Yes.
How did you flag the KIMS kit?
I send the serial number.
Yes?
I use the open key, KIMS kit.
I'm asking, how did you flag it?
I just tell him that I'm using the open kit.
Whatever KIMS kit you used, was that data synchronized in the entire KIMS kit system?
Yes.
Okay, no further questions.
Just one question.
Okay.
Kariuki Njiri for the petition. Can you confirm that as an assistant registration officer for IEBC, you can access even a frozen register?
No.
How were you able to access this one if it was you could not access?
This one, I register him during the continuous voter registration.
And you understand that it had been frozen because this region, that's MBEERE North, had a by-election. Is that true?
Yes, it is true.
So, can you confirm, since you were able to access, any other clerk of your level can access that register even when frozen? Is that true?
Yes, it is true.
Thank you.
Judge, one more question. Please confirm in your affidavit, Kiroko Ndegwa, In your affidavit, you've not mentioned anywhere the KIMS kit you used to register the call-ins. Have you?
Yes, I have indicated they are open.
Just speak up, please. Just speak up.
Have you please point us at the paragraph?
Paragraph 2. Through the open KIMS kit.
What have you named the serial number? Have you listed the serial number?
No.
Please also confirm that after you registered these call-ins, you did not gazette. Those changes were never gazetted. Say yes or no?
No.
Very well.
Judge, I had one question, Judge, if you may allow me.
It's okay, you can go for now. Just keep the deduction clear.
Witness, whatever you did to that register, did it change its character and legal status? Whatever you did to the register,
Yes.
did it change its original character? Did it not?
No.
Sorry? You added a name, correct?
Yes.
So it changed its original character from what it was on the 22nd of June 2025, correct? 2022, correct?
Yes.
And it equally affected the integrity of that register, correct? Correct or not correct, witness?
It is correct. But
Thank
it's
you.
already fled
Thank you.
out.
Any more cross? We?
I want us to start with a question my learned friend Mr. Jim, who asks you whether you are aware the voters register was frozen. Was the voters register frozen for the entire country as at the time you are doing this registration exercise?
No. There's a continuous voter registration.
Please try to speak up.
There's a continuous voter registration ongoing at that time.
Is the freezing of the voters register with regard, is it with regard to the entire voters registration in the country or just with regard to the areas where they are pending by elections?
Areas with this by-election
Please
areas.
speak up.
It is only with the areas of by-election areas.
Only areas of election. As a registration officer, is the KIMS gadget you are using for the registration the same one as the KIMS gadget being used for the polling exercise, voting? Is it the same one?
Yes, it is the same.
It is the same one.
Yes.
Why do you call it in your affidavit an open KIMS kit?
Because in an office we have 3 kits. The open kit is marked for all the 47 counties and 290 constituencies. Specifically, we can register anywhere in Kenya.
Let me get you
I'm
right.
not sure I'm following. You refer to it as an open KIMS because of?
Because the open kit can register to 47 county to 290 constituency all over the Kenya.
Is it the case that if somebody from Manyata, this court is sitting in an area called the Manyata constituency, which covers Embu town. If somebody from Manyata came to Ruiru to register themselves, would you be able to register them?
Yes.
Very well. Are you able to deregister? Are you able to deregister voters yourself
No.
as a registrar?
No.
Did you deregister any voter?
No.
Did you deregister Collins Simonene?
No.
Do you gazette the voters register?
No.
When you say that after you have discovered the mistake, you reported to the ICT who flagged Collins Munene, what do you mean by this flagging, that he was flagged?
So that he will not vote in the
Sorry,
by-election.
speak up.
So that he will not vote in the by-election in their constituency.
When you are doing the registration as an assistant registration officer, are you acting with the authority of the first respondent, the IBC? Are you acting with authority?
Yes.
So if you are acting with authority, are you in breach of section 33 of the Elections Act as has been put to you by my learned friend, Mr. Ndegwa? Jiro?
Which says?
Which says that anybody who acts without authority, blah, 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 then it goes on. Have you acted without authority? Have you acted without authority of the IBC?
Yes.
Have you acted without authority of the IBC?
No.
It doesn't matter. It's
No.
a question of law in any event.
Yes, yeah.
So it doesn't matter.
Very
what
well,
it says.
my lord. Very well.
You can
very
say yes, no, together, tomorrow. It's a question of law.
Yes, my lord. That is all for this witness.
Okay. Thank you. Sorry, can you just recall him? I think I need to understand that open. Just recall him before he sits down. I need to understand this open kit. Open kit. What is this open kit?
Open kit is a KIMS kit that will mapped for all 47 counties and 290 constituencies.
What's the difference between it, if any, and the
There's
KIMS
a
kit at the register at the polling station?
there's a office kit and an open kit. Office kit is only for constituency within the constituencies, but open kit we can register for 290 constituencies.
And the office kit is only for?
Within the constituencies.
Okay. Does anything arise from that?
Yes, my lord, only one question. When you say that the open kit is for the 290 constituencies, that means any person from whichever 200 constituencies would register and subsequently affect the voters register, correct?
Yes.
Thank you.
One more. Please confirm that you are not the only one who had an open kit.
Every constituency has a open kit.
Sorry?
Every constituency has a one open kit.
You don't need to re-examine it?
Okay. No.
All right. Thank you very much.
Nzuri.
Tutumie lugha gani?
English is okay.
English.
Yes.
A Christian or a Muslim?
Christian.
Christian. With the Bible right in front of you. Get using your right hand and repeat Repeat after me. I swear by the name of the Almighty God.
I swear by the name of
What
the
did you ask
Almighty.
him to do?
To give to the Bible, but yes, place the sample.
Right. Okay.
Wait, is it?
I swear by the name of the Almighty God.
I swear by the name of the Almighty God
The evidence I shall give before this court
that the evidence that I shall give before this court
shall be the truth,
shall be the truth,
nothing but the truth.
nothing but the truth.
So help me God.
So help me God. Please tell the court your name. Please stand on the mic. Just some better. Please tell the court your name. My name is Paul Washanga Mugo. What do you do for a living, Paul? I am an employee of the IEBC. You work at the IEBC as who? My work at IBC, I'm an ICT officer in the ICT department. Could you tell the court some of your duties as an ICT officer at the IBC? Part of what I do is the preparation of the KIMS kit for any activity that the commission has. For example, a by-election, registration, general election. How do you prepare the KIMS kit in relation to by-elections? Once the gazettement is done, we look at the number of polling stations in that place. Then we prepare the number of kits that they're going to use in that by-election. Now, regarding the matter before the court, do you remember that you made an affidavit with the advocate representing the IBC? Yes, I did. Please look at the date of this affidavit, the date when it is sworn. On the 21st day of January, 2026. 2026. Do you wish to produce this affidavit as your evidence in this matter? Yes, I do. My lord, the witness can be cross-examined.
Cross-examination.
Good morning, Mr. Mogo.
Good morning.
My name is Gachagua for the fourth respondent.
Gachagua?
For the fourth respondent.
Okay.
Just a few questions. He's called Leo Amudende, the fourth respondent. Confirm that one Collins Munene Muriuki was registered as a voter in October 2025.
Yes, he was, after I was informed.
Who informed you about this registration?
Did you say 8th October or just October?
It was that was on 8th October 2025?
Yes.
Okay. So who informed you about this registration?
The assistant registration officer.
You know his name?
I call him Abdi, nickname.
Abdi?
Yes.
Is he the officer who's just left the dock?
Yes.
All right. So when you're informed about the stray registration, if that's a correct word, what did you do about that stray registration?
Once he informed me,
Yes.
we were able to check in the system and flag it out.
What does flagging out mean?
Flagging out a record means the system shows you that there's a new entry into the register of voters.
Okay.
Yes.
So what did you do after that notification?
After that, I had a meeting with my boss on the same to tell him
Mention
of
your name, your boss's name.
His name is Michael.
Michael
Ouma. He's the director.
Sorry, Council, please. I'm struggling with the sound outside, with your sound and with him. Trying to hear. Yeah.
So you say your boss is who?
Michael Ouma. He's the director of ICT.
Director of ICT.
Yes.
Where is he
Michael
based?
Michael Ouma.
Ouma.
Yes.
Where is he based?
In headquarters, Nairobi.
Nairobi.
Yes.
All right. So what did you agree?
Once we had a discussion,
Yes.
the record has already gone in.
Okay.
Yes. So the only thing the system does is flag it out because you can't remove that record.
Okay.
Yes.
So the system automatically flags out the name
Yes.
automatically.
Automatically.
Aha. So what you're saying is that once you have suspended registration in a certain constituency, the system is configured in such a way that it automatically blocks any additions to that register.
If there's a by-election,
Yes.
and because in a by-election, there's registration that is going on
Yes.
in the register of voters.
Yes.
So in that place, it doesn't stop the record from coming in because it's not coming from the place that you have the by-election, but it's coming from a different place.
All right.
Yes, so it flags out that record.
All right.
Yes.
So, but the question is, it automatically blocks the new registrant from voting.
It basically just flags
There was
out.
an objection. Council is giving leading questions.
Okay, don't lead, Council.
I don't understand what leading
Yeah,
means.
just don't lead. Don't give him a question that suggests a possible answer.
I think he forgot I'm doing cross. So, but
Actually, he can lead.
yes,
He can do whatever he likes.
yes. So
I'm forgetting.
doing
I thought
cross.
this is your witness. He's not.
Yeah, he
This is
forgot I'm doing
this is
cross.
the witness of the
Yes,
fast.
yes. So the question is, does the system automatically block the new registrant from voting, or does it require human intervention?
The system is automatic,
It's automatic.
so it flags out that record.
All right.
Yes.
So what you're saying, therefore, is that it did not matter how many people are registered as voters in MBEERE North, the system would block them automatically.
Yes, the system would flag them out.
So that come the election day, the KIMS kit would not pick them as voters for that election.
Because there is preparation of the KIMS kit,
Yes,
which has the soft copy of the register.
yes,
So on that,
yes.
once the system flags them out, they'll still be into the KIMS kit,
Right.
but it flags them out.
So that they cannot vote.
Yes, and also the person holding the KIMS kit
Yes.
will be able to know.
All right.
Yes, if that person comes, then the system will tell them this person.
What does the system? Does it speak when you say once it flags out the person? Does the system have a voice, something activation? What does it do?
Not really. It produces a sound, and also it shows on the record of that person.
Okay. So then, as you stand there, you can confirm to this court that Collins Monene did not vote on the 27th of November 2025.
I wasn't there in the polling station,
Yes.
so I don't know if he voted or not.
Okay.
But the system flagged him out.
Could not allow him to vote.
Yes.
All right. That is all.
Yes.
Karaoke Njiri for the petition. I'll ask you a few questions. You said you are, what's your position at the IEBC?
I'm an ICT officer.
ICT officer. Have you annexed anything before this court to show that you're an ICT officer with IEBC?
I worked there, but I did not.
Have you annexed an appointment letter? It's either yes or no.
No.
Okay. Now, you have told this court that Collins, you were informed by the by the assistant registration officer at Ruiru that he had registered Collins Munene,
Yes.
who ought not to have been registered. That's true?
Yes.
Now, in your affidavit, Council can show him that affidavit. Do you remember indicating that the information was from the ICT director in Embu?
Yes. In my affidavit on.
Can you also confirm? No, that answer is okay. Can you also confirm that there is nowhere you indicated that you are informed by Ibrahim, the assistant registration clerk in Ruiru? In your affidavit, there is nowhere you have mentioned that.
No.
Good, thank you. Now, again, can you confirm as the ICT in charge in Nairobi that the system cannot prevent registration of a voter even in a frozen region?
Come again?
Can you confirm that even when you have frozen or suspended voter registration in an area because of any reason, let's say by election, an assistant clerk from anywhere in the constituency level can be able to register a voter of that region? Just like it happened in Ruiru.
Is this a yes or no question? Because we have an open kit. An open kit can register anyone in the country.
Thank you.
But
thank you. Now that this kit had picked and registered someone in an area that was frozen, did you do an audit to check before the by-election how many more people were registered within that region where there was a by-election? More specifically in MBEERE North, did you do an audit yourself?
No, we did not.
You did not do an audit. So, as you stand here in court, you are not able to know how many more call-ins were registered or how many more unauthorized voters were registered within the region of MBEERE North constituency. As you stand here.
From the Kim's kit, it was just one, which is.
Don't tell us that from the KIP. You have agreed that you didn't do an audit. Is that true? You can only tell with an audit.
Yes.
So you confirm you may not know how many more unless it is pointed out to you. Is
Yes.
that true?
Yes.
Lastly, when you were informed that a voter has been registered within a region, that is in MBEERE North, was it by a memo or by a phone call?
By a phone call.
Officially, can you confirm to this court that normally the clerk who illegally register a voter, either by error or by design, must do a memo to explain?
There are formal communications in the commission.
In this case of Collins.
And also a phone call is part of communication.
Yes. In this case of Collins, did you receive a memo or an email?
No.
Explaining?
No.
Yourself as the in charge, did you take any action to either communicate to your seniors of that error?
Yes.
Was it by an official memo or an email?
We had a meeting.
You had a meeting?
Yes.
Have you annexed the memo, the minutes of that meeting?
No.
Before court for the benefit?
No.
So we may not even tell whether you had such a meeting.
We had such a meeting.
Mr. Witness, from your affidavit, I put it across to you. You people only came, the IEBC came to know about Collins after it was pointed out on the elections day while he went to vote.
No.
Your answer is no.
No.
Did the commission take actions in respect of that particular registration? Did the commission take actions? And when I speak about the commission, not the secretariat, the commission, was there a decision that was taken by the commission in respect that registration that you know of?
I am not of any SCG.
You confirm that your actions and that of Ibrahim amounted to an alteration of the voters register, correct?
No.
There was no alteration.
There was.
Yes?
There was, because there was an entry in the register.
It was an entry on the register, correct? Yes. That affected its original status, correct? Yes?
Yes.
It affected its character, correct?
Yes.
And it changed its integrity, correct?
Yes.
Correct or not correct?
Yes, correct.
And therefore, there ought to have been a decision by the commission for such an egregious and grievous action on the register, correct?
Correct.
And most especially noting that this was a gazetted election area, correct?
Correct.
No further questions.
We want to take more time. Kiragwaduta, you said who informed you about this registration?
The assistant registration officer.
Called Ibrahim.
I call him Abdi, but his name is Ibrahim.
You call him?
I call him Abdi.
Abdi.
Yes.
Abdi, the person who has just testified.
Yes.
I would like you to look at your affidavit, paragraph 7. Just read paragraph 7 of your affidavit for the court to hear what you say about that information.
That I am informed by the said the first respondent, county ICT officer in charge, Embu County, Margaret Mbaro, which information I verily believe to be true, that while reviewing the electronic voter data for Mwandu polling station, she noted a discrepancy whereby the physical register indicated a total number of 399 registered voters, while the KIMS reflected 400 voters, and the incident was duly documented in the petitioner's polling station diary, PSD.
So let us discuss that paragraph. You confirm to court it is not Ibrahim who informed you about that touch. Correct?
Ibrahim informed me earlier.
Yes, sir.
According to that, yes.
Thank you.
Ibrahim informed me earlier.
No. Just let's move slowly. You never give us different evidence. And confirm that Margaret informed you after the election. Just read the paragraph once again, if you doubt. When did you state, actually, my lord, let me reform that question. Do you state when Margaret informed you about the discrepancy?
Margaret, it doesn't say when.
It doesn't say.
Yes.
But what was Margaret doing when she discovered the discrepancy? Just read here. She was reviewing the electronic data.
Yes.
For Moto polling station.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
Was that the day that Collins was registered, as Ibrahim tells us?
No, that is not the day. Yeah. If I may say something, my lords.
You don't have that luxury.
Okay.
And I think, so, and just confirm from an ICT perspective, that for using that open kit from whichever constituency office, a person will be able to move a voter, say from Manyata, here this is Manyata, to, let me pick, Olkalau in Nyandarua. Is that correct?
No.
You can't move.
You can move, but not the way you're putting it.
Or you can move someone from Ruiru to MBEERE North, correct?
Yes. If you're the registration officer at MBEERE, you can do a transfer into MBEERE, but you cannot move a voter from MBEERE outside.
Ah, good. But for registration, you can register a new voter elsewhere.
Yes.
So you can pull a voter from elsewhere to where you are seated. Say, for instance, you're sitting in Ruiru, you can get a voter from MBEERE North and register them where you are in Ruiru. Is that correct?
When you say register, is a new record.
No, sorry, you transfer
Yes, you can transfer into the registration
where you are seated,
where you're stationed.
where you're stationed.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you very much. You are a good person. And did you mind to share the KIMS kit serial number that was used by Ibrahim?
I cannot remember it often.
You don't have it.
I can't
Neither is it in
remember.
your affidavit, correct?
Yes.
Embalot, that would be your
Okay, how many
Proceed.
minutes just is remaining in total? Is there another week? Are you doing reacts?
Yes, I am.
All right. He'll give me that information. Reacts.
Let's start where my learning first. This is to do with the transplant. How is a voter transferred from where they are registered to another polling station? The transfer process is you present yourself to where you want to vote. For example, if you are in Nakuru County and you want to vote in MBEERE, it's okay. If you're in Nakuru County and you want to vote in MBEERE, you have to present yourself to the registration officer in MBEERE for them to effect that change. So likewise, or rather, if somebody is being transferred from MBEERE to Mathira, what is the process? They have to present themselves to Mathira constituency returning officer. The events which you refer to in relation to Abdi, the person you call Abdi, that is ending Ibrahim Golicha, and the events in relation to Margaret Barrow, are these two different events? They are the same events. They are the same events. Yes.
Sorry, I didn't capture that.
Sorry. There were the events which you refer with regard to, or rather the communication you had with the person you call Abdi, that is ending Golicha. When did this communication occur? Is it before the election, the by-election from MBEERE North, or after? Before. Was that communication between you and Abdi ending Golicha in relation to registration of voters, or in relation to the voting exercise that had happened in MBEERE? It was in relation to the voting exercise that happened in MBEERE. Was it in relation to registration of voters, or in relation to the exercise going on in MBEERE? I'm talking of ending, or the person you call Abdi. It was in relation to the registration and what happened in MBEERE. What about your communication with Margaret Barrow? Is it after the elections or before the elections? It was before the election, on the eve of the election day. Now, in that paragraph which you are shown, there is an indication that there was a discrepancy. There is the register showing 399 voters and the KIMS showing 400 voters. Yes. Are you able to speak to that discrepancy? The 399 voters is the physical register that is normally provided at the polling station, which aids in opening of the KIMS kit. And the 400 is the data that we put in the KIMS kit during preparation. Yes. Are you able to tell where this additional number, so that there is a discrepancy between 399 and 400 is coming from? Are you able to tell? The 399 is from the register of voters for 2022 general election, and for the 400 there was an entry into the register, which is the data that
we put in the KIMS kit because it was done outside MBEERE North on an open kit.
The freezing of voter registration. The freezing of voter registration. How do you understand it? To what extent was that freezing done? To what extent? Was it done across the country? Or was it done just with regard to the areas with by-elections?
The freezing is normally done for the area with by-election. That is where that it's done. And in the whole country.
What about registration? Has registration of voters in the country been frozen? Is it frozen as we speak? Or even in the lead up to these by-elections?
Sorry, come again?
Was the registration of voters countrywide frozen in the lead up to this by-election from MBEERE North?
Yes, it was.
For the country?
Yes.
Was it frozen for the entire country?
It was frozen for MBEERE.
That can a registration officer be able to register anywhere across the country, irrespective of where that registration officer is sitting?
Yes, he can, or she can.
My Lord, that is all with this witness.
All right. Next witness. Just please read for the petitioner their minutes so that they are aware, because they've been eating into their time.
It's still got 44 minutes remaining. First, third respondent, you have 1 and 5 minutes remaining. Fourth respondent, you have 42 minutes. First and the third, 195.
RW7.
Yes, RW7.
English.
Dictate by dictate using your right hand. After me, I shall by the name of the Almighty God.
I swear by the name of the Almighty God
That the evidence I shall give before this court
that the evidence I shall give before this court
shall be the truth,
shall be the truth,
nothing but the truth.
nothing but the truth.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Please, my Lord, this affidavit is in page number 334. 334. Please tell the Honorable Court your full name.
Paulino Nzeganjeru.
Where do you come from? What do you do for a living?
I come from MBEERE North. I am a teacher.
Very well. Regarding the by-election held on 27th of November last year from MBEERE North, what role did you play? Which role did you play?
Presiding officer.
You are presiding officer for which polling station?
Kaungo Primary School.
You remember making an affidavit with the lawyers for the commission regarding this, that the election, sorry. Are you aware that an election petition was brought regarding the outcome of the MBEERE North by-election?
Yes.
Was it brought to your attention by the commission lawyers, the IBC, that your polling station was among the polling stations which have been questioned by the petitioner?
Yes.
Did you swear an affidavit giving an account of what transpired at Kaungu polling station?
Yes.
Please look at this affidavit. It's sworn when? Have a look.
12th the day of January 2026.
12th the day of January 2026. Yes. Do you wish to produce this affidavit as your evidence in this matter?
Yes.
My lord, the witness can be questioned.
It has annexures? This one has annexures.
It does, it does.
So he's producing the affidavit with annexures.
Yes. Are you producing the affidavit together with all the annexures named therein?
Yes.
Thank you, my lord.
Cross.
Good morning, Bwana Jeff.
Morning.
My name is Gachagua. I'm for the fourth respondent, Leo Mdende. You are the presiding officer at Kaungu.
Yes.
Now, there are allegations that voting or the election exercise at Kaungu was affected by violence. Is that correct?
Yes.
Well, yes, to the that there is an allegation of there was violence.
Yeah.
The question is a bit broad.
Yeah, there was
violence.
There was violence.
Was that violence within polling station? You're in polling station number?
1 of 1.
1 of 1.
Yes.
Was that violence in the polling station?
No, outside.
Outside the polling
Yeah.
station?
Yeah.
Did you witness that violence yourself?
Yes.
All right. From a distance or
From a distance.
from a distance? So how did it affect the election exercise?
Okay. There was some violence, but especially outside the station, they started throwing stones.
Okay.
The people, then they broke the windows. Then we had to suspend the voting for some period,
All right.
which is recorded in the PSD.
All right. So they threw stones towards your station
Yeah.
from outside.
Yes.
So you stopped the